Hello and welcome to SINFT. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Today we're in episode 20. In this episode, I'll make a brief introduction of replacement INDUFIL filter element. At SINFT, we provide replacement filter elements that are perfectly suited for INDUFIL filter systems. This has been confirmed by our regular clients who rely on our products for their liquid fuel, gas, and demineralized water filtration needs. Glass fiber are durable, resistant to moisture, and can withstand high temperatures, making them a common choice for filter media. Cellulose-based media, such as paper, is widely used in hydraulic oil filtration due to its excellent particulate removal efficiency and high dirt holding capacity. Polyesters-based media, made from synthetic fibers, offers high filtration efficiency, capturing a broad range of particle sizes. It is effective in removing contaminants like solid particles, dust, and fine particulate matter from air, liquids, and gases. Stainless steel media, including wire mesh, sintered powder wire mesh, perforated metal sheets, and stainless steel fiber media, provide effective filtration for larger particles and can be easily cleaned and reused. Our filter elements are suitable for a wide range of applications, including hydraulic fluids, water glycols, diesel machining fluids, lubricating oil, coolants, gasoline, process fluids, turbine and compressed lube oils, synthetic lubricants, and other chemicals. These elements are specially designed for INDUFIL filtration systems, ensuring optimal performance and equipment protection. Our filter elements are constructed with precision to ensure high filtration efficiency. The various raw materials used in our filters are available in different micron ratings, with retention efficiency designated by the beta value. The higher the beta value, the more particles are retained by the filter, indicating superior retention efficiency and performance. SINFT offers a comprehensive range of replacement filter elements for INDUFIL systems. To meet our customers' requirements, we have made some modification to the sizes and materials of the replacement filter elements. In order to provide an improved filtration solution, the feedback from our customers indicates that the filtration result is excellent. If your specific part number isn't listed, please contact us for further assistance. See you next time.